Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we will discuss my new project, Laravel role permission project. So in this project I use Spatie Laravel permission for role permission handling. This package is this package associate user with role and permission. So this Spatie Spatie package is very handy for role and permission app, and I also use Laravel Breeze. So Laravel Breeze is minimum simple implementation of all Laravel authentication feature, including login, registration, password reset, email verification, and password confirmation. In addition, Breeze include a simple profile page where the user may update their name, email address, and password. So in this project overview, I will create, update, delete role, create permission, and assign them to role, assign role to user, check user permission dynamically. So let's go to our project. First, I am creating new permission. Like as you can see, we have view article, create article, delete article, show article, but not update article. So creating this permission, update article at here. Now all roles at here. So I am creating editor role. Editor role at here. So he can view article, create article, delete article, show article, and also update articles. Create user. Now user created. Now I'm creating one user. So go at here and register like editor. Jain WP. Now for editor there is no role assigned for it. So I am going again to my dashboard, super admin dashboard, and I am assigning role for it like editor. Now check. Now I can see all. Now I can see. I can see all article. I can delete all article. And I think edit must be there, but not showing. Wait a minute. Now this user can, this editor can edit, delete, and show article. And suppose I want to give another permission for edit role, edit permission, etc., then I have to change from here edit, and now like I want to give permission to view permission, edit permission, create permission, delete permission, and show permission, update permission. Now he can see permission, etc., and all thing like create, update, delete, etc., all will be at here. So all code are at here, you can use at your end. And code structure is very simple, and like I use proper code structure like middleware, etc., all thing, and proper commenting at here, and all rule are at here, and you can check like in the views, etc., I use proper way of coding, like for view articles I create blade, edit blade, index blade, show blade, etc., and for permission create, edit, index. So all are very in simple and proper way. And for route I use simple route for permission, and for role, etc., I use dynamically from controller by a role controller and article controller, and directly from user controller, so it is dynamically created. And I also created lots of I actually Breeze created lots of blade component at here, and I also created some component at here, and I use these component in my project. So like if you check index.blade, then there are lots of thing like I use blade directly component at here, so that it will be easy to handle. Why this matter? Perfect for SaaS CRM admin dashboard, solid RBAC role based access control implementation, easy to customize and extend for client project. Work with me. I am available in freelance or remote Laravel project, Laravel API and admin panel, custom role permission system, scalable architecture using Laravel best practice. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.